Hi, Indiegogo! Sorry, it's a bit loud in here. Hopefully you will hear what I'm saying. So, small heads up and small insights that we're uncovering about the manufacturing of the Atmotube. So here we are, this is the laser machine here. And this is Mr. Ed, one of our managers who's helping us. Usually he's not working here, but he decided to help. So, can you show closer? Usually we use this jig right here, and usually we put 4 Atmotubes in a row. And then the laser applies the logo, and you can see the program over here. So we put the logos, and Mr. K, can you show it how it works? Yeah, so let's go. Magic. So you can see the beautiful logo of Atmotube and also application information is here. So for the third generation for Atmotube Plus, we're going to apply the same process because you can see the difference. This is not anodized tube, this is already anodized tube, right? So it's going to be the same color, and we're going to use another jig, and we're also going to put 4 Atmotubes in a row and print another logo, the Atmotube Plus. Hopefully this type of updates are interesting for you and you would like to know more. And if you have questions on this manufacturing process or some other processes, you can write them down below and we will try to answer them. Thank you, Indiegogo. This is not another one from the update of the production.